It's Monday, December the 31st, and here is Redspan Aviation News number 21. In this New Year's Eve edition: 1. The Gatwick drone incident. Will we ever know the truth? 2. Piper J3 Cub is the firm favourite according to AOPA survey. 3. The many uses for drones on farms. And 4. Space exploration in 2019. Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and here is this week's roundup of aviation news from high altitude to below 400 feet. Each week I bring you selected stories about aerial activity, from space exploration to general aviation, from drones to UFOs. Head over to redspan.com to find out how I can make marketing videos for your aviation business. So chocks away then. First, there is yet to be a satisfactory explanation for the Gatwick drone incident. Over a week later, we still don't have any explanation as to what really went on at Gatwick the week before last. I uploaded 2 videos on the subject. The first, on Saturday, December the 22nd, was more factual, but it was created while information was still emerging. It was therefore incomplete and inaccurate in parts. It received approximately an equal number of likes and dislikes, with a lot of negative comments from conspiracy theorists, including some that were nasty anti-Semitic stuff, which were removed. The second video listed the conspiracy theories, and that has more likes than dislikes. So it seems the conspiracies are very popular, but there is zero evidence so far to support any of them. Without any updates from the authorities, it could be months before we know what happened, if indeed we learn the truth at all. Next, it will come as no surprise to many who own and fly the Piper J3 Cub that it has been voted as the top classic aircraft, according to a survey conducted by AOPA, the Aircraft Owners and Pilots Association. It attracted about 36% of the 2,305 votes, against the Beech Stagwing's 35%, putting it in second place. The Beechcraft Bonanza was third in the list. The Piper Cub dates back to a late 1930s design, and its popularity is due in part to its short field performance, lightweight design, and low speed performance. It's often regarded as a refreshingly gadget-free aircraft that teaches stick and rudder flying in a way that establishes good habits and piloting skills. It's also an inexpensive aircraft, putting it in reach of many private pilots. When Cubs come up for sale, they don't hang around for long and are soon sold to eager new owners. Next, it's well known that fixed-wing drones are used in agriculture for gathering data about crops on arable farms, but drones can also be of great use on pastoral farms for monitoring livestock. Putting an eye in the sky can save a farmer or shepherd a lot of time and effort when searching for stray or injured animals. Drones can also be dispatched to check on the condition of fencing, walls, water troughs, and other parts of the farm that may be inaccessible or difficult to reach due to earlier heavy snowfalls. There's no substitute for being physically present when things of this nature need attention, but at least the farmer who operates a drone can check the situation and prioritize resources accordingly. The farmer can also use the drone for roof inspections on barns, dairies, and other buildings. And a drone can be used to collect evidence in the event of suspected trespass. Next, 2019 looks set to be another exciting year in the realm of space exploration. China and India both have lunar spacecraft in preparation that are due to launch in 2019. India's Chandrayaan-2 is due to launch in January, while China's Chang-5 won't take off until December. However, Chang-4, launched on the 7th of December 2018, is expected to land on the Moon on January the 3rd. It is also expected that the United States will be sending astronaut crews into space again of its own accord, for the first time since the retirement of the shuttle in 2011. The spacecraft they will be launching are the Dragon 2, constructed by SpaceX, and the CST-100 Starliner, built by Boeing. And of course, on July the 20th, 2019, we will be celebrating 50 years since Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin were the first men to walk on the moon, while their fellow Apollo crew member Michael Collins remained in orbit in the Command Module Columbia. There are many reasons to be watching the skies and the stars in 2019. That's all for this edition of Redspan Aviation News. I look forward to bringing you more about the fascinating world of aviation and space exploration soon. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of the next edition. Finally, please like, share and comment on this video so that I know what I'm doing right and will continue to make videos that people want to watch.